In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix not being able to download Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes on iPhone. Begin by opening the App Store and then search for Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, and then open its official page. Tap Get, and if a download is stuck, tap the app icon on your home screen to pause it, then tap it again to resume. Next, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, and restart your iPhone and try again. If that still doesn't work, open the Settings app and go down to where it says General, and tap iPhone Storage. And make sure you have enough free space. You should also open Settings and tap your name at the very top, select Payment and Shipping, and update any expired or declined payment method because Apple may require a valid payment method even for free apps. And finally, go back to the main settings page and go down to General and tap Software Update. Install any available iOS update, and if the App Store says your device is incompatible, you will need a supported iPhone or iOS version. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.